Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting power and access right. Plug the original cable into a reliable USB port and charge for 30 to 60 minutes because a deeply drained battery mimics failure. Once charging, remove bands or protective cases that block vents or sensors. They can cause thermal shutdowns. Then perform a force restart by holding the power button for 10 to 20 seconds. This clears temporary software locks and often brings the device back to life quickly. Once done with a restart, inspect ports and the backplate for moisture, corrosion, or debris. Those cause shorts and sensor errors. Make sure to isolate the power chain. Test another certified charger, different outlet, and a spare compatible cable so you know whether charging hardware is at fault. Then connect the watch to its companion app. Verify firmware version and sync status, because mismatched software often prevents booting or produces persistent error codes that you can address next. If the watch boots after isolation, back up data and perform a factory reset to remove corrupted settings. This often restores full function. If the device stays non-responsive, gather the serial number, warranty info, and photos of damage. Then contact authorized repair or the manufacturer for service. Make sure to try one last minimal boot. Remove SIM or ESIM, detach sensors and bands, because a peripheral can stop startup. If that fails, escalate to repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.